సంథింగ్ అంటాము కానీ జాబ్లో కూర్చుంటేనే ఇంటనే పిల్లల్ని ఇచ్చిపెట్టుకోలేరు కదా. టైం హాస్టల్లో పోయి ఉండాల్సి వస్తుంది. హాస్టల్లో పోతే 5,000 6,000 హాస్టల్కి పెట్టాలి. అది వాళ్ళది ఫుడ్ సరిగా ఉండదు. పెళ్లి చేసేదాకా ఎక్కడ వనికి ఉండరు. పెళ్లి చేసి మంచిగా కోడల్ని అప్పచెప్పి వండి అప్పుడు ఏం అనిపించదు. వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ తంటాలేదో వాళ్ళు పడతారు.
नितिन Nitin, you switch on your video. Nitin.
వద్దు ఇడ్లీ వడ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు కదా మరి తినని 2 రోజుల తర్వాత బయటికి దొరికేవాళ్ళు. అది ఇడ్లీ చేసి వేపుదాం, బాగా వేసి వదిలిపెడతాము. జూన్ వరకు వేపేసి బయటకు వదిలిపెట్టాము. ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని ఉంటే అవి చేసి పెట్టు ఇవి చేసి పెట్టు, అవి చేసుకొని తిందామా ఇవి చేసుకొని తిందామా నూడిల్స్ చేసి పెడదామా ఇవే ఉన్నాయి. ఆవిడ అంతే 4 గంటలు ఏదో చేస్తారంటే అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 3 నెలలు ఇట్లాగానే నడపాలి. తర్వాత ఎట్లా వాళ్ళు తిన్నా తినే టైం అయితే ఏం తీసుకుంటారు. జీతకాలం 30-60 వేలు బాకీ తీసుకోలేవా? ఇన్ని ఏళ్ళ నుంచి 30-60 మనుషులుంటే ఏమైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు, వాళ్ళకు సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు.
నితిన్ హలో. హలో
మాస్కులా ఎవరు స్వప్ననా అమ్ముతుందా?
హలో నితిన్ హలో నితిన్
డిమార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా రోజు పొద్దున్న 7కే ఓపెన్, 7 నుంచి సాయంత్రం.
హలో నితిన్
తెచ్చే కొనుక్కొని మనపప్పు లేదు అప్పుడు నుంచి తెచ్చింది.
అస్మిత హలో
గుళ్ళు తెచ్చుకున్నా పప్పు తెచ్చుకుంటే
హలో
తీసినాడు కింద నుంచి పార్టీ నుంచి ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళే పంపుతున్నాడు బాబు. అయితే 130 పడింది. కందిపప్పు ఎంత ఉంది? కందిపప్పు 90. కందిపప్పు మామూలుగా మినపప్పు ఇచ్చేది.
Hello.
ఊరు నుంచి తెస్తున్నాం ఏంటి అలా దాంట్లో.
Hello, Archana.
Sir.
Right. Okay. Can you able to view me? Okay. Right. My video is visible.
Okay.
మినపప్పు ఎంత తెచ్చారు? కిలో తెచ్చుకొని
Yes. If anyone is having problem in listening audio, you remind me. Now everything is fine for everyone. Samhita, Nitin. You switch on your videos so that I can able to see you. Right. Samhita. Next. Archana. Archana.
Sir.
Your video is not visible.
Okay. Wait, sir.
Nitin. Right. Clear. Okay. Next. Nitin. Archana, I think first time joined today.
No, sir. Second class. This is.
Second class.
Yesterday, I have some work that. Yes.
Samhita, what website you people have developed? Not audible. Samhita.
Devanka and Mahesh Bhatt.
Okay. Right. Clear. See, your friends.
They developed the website.
They developed. Okay, right. Anyhow, what you people are doing? Repairing or just simply doing
Sir,
time
we are
pass?
preparing, sir.
Repairing.
Sir, we are
Don't miss this time. Don't miss this time. Okay, why? Because in future we won't get all this free time for you. Okay, right? So utilize it properly.
Yes,
So
sir.
if
Yes,
you
sir.
have any doubts in subjects or any backlogs, if your friends are also having, help them to clear all those backlogs also. Okay, let them concentrate on the backlog subjects also. Right. So
Yes,
like
sir.
Ritvik is there. Ritvik is having so many subjects. So help him to get rid of this. Okay, by using this app easily we can communicate and we can talk about any subject also. Okay, right. So this Nitin connected but not able to hear my voice, I think. Nitin. Hello. Nitin, you switch on your audio first. Hello. Yes, still anyone joining? Samhita, inform to your friends. Maybe Archana joined. Okay, where is Anusha?
Anusha, I don't know, so she's not attending any online class, sir.
Okay. Then boys, ma? Boys, CR, then other guys, no one is attending. Only Ritvik is coming for time pass. Ritvik. Right?
Yesterday they attended, sir, but I don't know that.
Okay.
I'll inform in the class group, sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Yeah, inform everyone. Okay. Put the message that
Okay, sir.
session is started. Okay.
20 ఇయ్యలే వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారే వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎంత అన్నాడు 150 ఇచ్చావా 150 ఏం లేదు సార్ అట్లా
Only 8 of your friends have joined. Seven only. Inform everyone to come fast. Okay.
1 minute. Yes, sir.
Preeti joined, No, Preeti. Okay, let it be video. Just concentrate on audio first. Okay. Right? If you are having any net problem, okay. See some interesting means good names you are typing. Okay. While logging, some people are writing like Ismail Bhai, Ismail Peku. Don't write all those things. Better to use your roll number or complete your name. It will be better. One others. Now others is coming. Hello, Nitin. Nitin, you are there online, huh? Nitin. Nitin, can you able to hear me?
Sir, I'm trying to contact him, but is not responding.
Just he connected and where he went, I don't know. Right? See, everyone has to listen this, okay? Right? So those who will listen, those people only will get benefited. Okay. First, we need to understand that. And what about these guys, Anurag? Then so many people are there. Okay. Yellies are there. Okay. Then promoted students are there. Okay. They are not joining, right?
Yes, sir.
See, maybe in today and tomorrow session, okay, mostly within 2 sessions, next coming 2 sessions, I will complete 5th unit also. Then after that, we'll plan for some revision, okay. So all the important topics unit wise, okay, I will filter the topics, okay, so that we can concentrate on those important topics, okay, right? We will do that next time, okay. After this, okay, now today's we will discuss on 5th unit, okay. 5th unit are very easy concepts, okay. Already we have covered this about JavaScripts and all, okay. Just I will revise those concepts once again, okay. So shall we start? Your CR joined?
Yes, sir.
She is there in group. Preeti. Not there, no?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Nitin. Nitin, you wake up now?
Yes, sir.
What you are doing? You are not responding also. From
Sir,
past
it is
10.
Devang, sir, not me.
No, you only see so many messages. I am chatting also down. You can able to see, right? So I am requesting you to speak something. Why? Because I should know whether you are
Wantedly
connected or
not
not.
coming, sir.
I think today first class is joining, Nitin.
No, sir.
You are listening.
Daily is being.
Just he is connecting and is going somewhere. That's why he's not
No,
switching
sir.
his video also. See, not switching on his video also.
సార్ ఇప్పుడే లేచినాం సార్ అప్పుడే వీడియో ఎందుకు
అలా అవుతుంటావా? సరే సర్లే, ఓకే. ఎనీహౌ ఇప్పుడు లేసినా నా క్లాస్కి మాత్రం కనెక్ట్ అయ్యావు. చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. ఓకే
సార్, మీ క్లాస్ కోసం లేచిన సార్ ఇప్పుడు నేను.
అట్లానా? ఓకే రైట్, గ్రేట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇంకా వస్తున్నారా ఫ్రెండ్స్? ఇంకా వాళ్ళు మేల్కోలేదా?
లేవద్దా సార్? అందరు లేవాలి కదా సార్, 12 అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడే.
అదే నేను మొన్న సిఆర్ని అడిగాను, ఏంటమ్మా 11 అట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా అంటే అందరూ 1 తర్వాతనే స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఏమో యుఎస్ అనుకున్నారేమో. అంటే నైట్సే క్లాసెస్ కావాలంటారు కదా, లేట్ ఈవినింగ్ వద్దు అని గ్రూప్ లో మెసేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు అక్కడ సెక్రటరీ సార్. 5 కల్లా వైండప్ చేయండి అని. Okay, right. Shall we start? Right. See here. Today we will discuss on 5th unit. Okay. Right. So first, let me show the syllabus to you. First, I will share one document. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. See here. As per the syllabus, see. We have to discuss this unit 5. Okay, so up to 4 units we have completed. See here, in between, if you face any problem in listening audio, you just chat me. Okay, right? So you just post the message. Okay, so that I will check that. Okay, if any problem is there, I will try to rectify that. Okay, so here, see, today we will discuss 5th unit. Okay, 4 units we have completed. Okay, so all these concepts yesterday we have completed about JSP and all. Okay, we have seen what are the, how to declare the elements in JSP, what are the HTML contents will be there in JSP, what are the different types of JSP supporting elements, what is snippets, how to reuse the code, implicit objects, Java beans, and we have seen cookies and sessions also, right? And connecting to the database, only just a simple 4 lines code is there. Okay, how to install the driver. Okay, one statement we will write. Okay, with the driver manager. Okay, and we will create one con object. Okay, all those things we have seen. Okay, very simple. See, what's my suggestion to you is, okay, see here, 4th unit is very easy, ma, right? 4th unit, 5th unit, and 2nd unit, if you concentrate more on this, okay, without missing any topic, easily you can score the marks in WT. Okay, right? So others concepts are easy for you. Okay, other concepts are easy, but these units you should not miss a single concept also. Okay, so that you people have to do. Okay, right? So see here, now we are in the unit 5. Okay, so here we will see on client side scripting. Okay, as per the syllabus, this is one syllabus copy, our syllabus copy. So here just see client side scripting we will do. Okay, at the client side means at the user level, what is the scripting language we will use. Okay, mostly we will use JavaScript. Okay, scripting language we will use at the client side. Okay, that is nothing but what JavaScript we will use. Okay, so in this chapter, in this unit, we will be talking about JavaScript. Okay, how to use the JavaScript, how to declare variables in JavaScript. Okay, then what is the scope of variables in JavaScript. Okay, and how to use the functions in JavaScript. Okay, all those things, and we will implement one simple form validations also. Okay, right? So we'll create one registration form and we will put some validations on that. Very easy unit. Already JavaScript, everything you have learned. Okay, now we will see this. Okay, right? See here, JavaScript. Okay, can you able to see this one, ma? PPT.
Yes, sir.
Right. So is it shared to you, right? Okay. See here. Now in today's lecture we will see about JavaScript. Okay, right. So already we have seen what is HTML, what is CSS and all. Here we will concentrate on JavaScript. Okay, right. See here, before going for this JavaScript, okay, right. So first you should know what is HTML. HTML is used for designing the web page. Okay, right. So if you want to create any items, create any options, okay, right, buttons, if you want to create, you can go for the normal HTML tags and you can design it. Okay, then after that, if you want to apply any sheets, okay, styles for your document, you can go for CSS. Okay, and if you want to put any validations for your page, okay, you can go for JavaScript. Okay, right. So here I want to put some validations. I want to do some validations on the page. I will go for the JavaScript. Okay, right. So here see, JavaScript is what? Okay, that will be used for, right, for see, Java used for doing some validations, and suppose think that suppose you have created one registration form by using HTML. If you want to check the mandatory fields, you want to put some validations on that. Okay, if you want to verify whether the data is entered is right or wrong, if you want to check. Okay, for those purpose we will use JavaScript. Okay, So what actually the JavaScript is here, so many points are there, okay? Just try to refer those points, okay? Just what the important thing you need to remember here is JavaScript is easy to implement. Everyone knows, okay? Already we have seen this concept, okay? Right. So here JavaScript is easy to implement, okay? And it is open, okay? Right. So, and it is a lightweight programming language, okay? Right. So that you can use, okay? For to do any validations on the web page. Okay. Right. Then after that, see here. Yeah. See, we can say so many features, okay, of JavaScript. Already we have seen what is the syntax and how to use the JavaScript, okay. Right. So it is a case-sensitive language, okay. So suppose what if you are declaring any variable, okay, that variable name only, same name only we should use, okay. Right. Suppose a, if you are using a variable means small a only you should use, okay. Right. So and it will be supported in all operating systems. Everyone knows, okay. Easily you can use the JavaScript, okay. Right. So see here, then applications is what for validations purpose, for creating menus, okay, for displaying time, date and time. So for all these things, you can use the JavaScript. Okay, right. So all these things you know already, right? See here, why we have to go for JavaScript? Okay, already I said to you these points to you. Okay, right? So why we need to study this JavaScript? Okay, right. So already we know about HTML, right? So HTML, in HTML we'll be using tags for to display the, to define the contents, okay. If you want to display any image, labels, okay, text boxes, you can go for HTML, okay, for define the contents, okay. Suppose you want any color, you want to apply any styles, you will go for CSS. Next is for to put any validations or to program the behavior of the page, okay, right? So you can go for JavaScript, okay. Already we know about this, okay, right? Here we will be using so many methods, okay, in JavaScript, like get element by ID method. By using ID you can retrieve that, okay. And all those things, some methods also we can use, okay, for to write the JavaScript, okay, right? We will see that, okay, right? See here, some methods like document dot get element by ID is the method we can use, and we can write the JavaScript, okay, right? See here, these are all already you know, right? How to write the JavaScript, okay? How to add the JavaScript or how to write the JavaScript in your program, okay, right? So in the normal HTML code, if you want to add a JavaScript, okay, script tag will be used, okay. Already you know this, okay. In the normal HTML code, what we will do, okay, we will write the script, we will use the script tag, okay. If you observe the old versions, right, if you want to add any JavaScript, what we will do, we will write like this, see. So how we will write a script type equal to, we will mention what type of scripting language, whether it is JavaScript or Perl scripting or what, okay. So here in the old versions of HTML, we will be writing like this, okay, in order to use the JavaScript, okay. But in the updated version, just script tag we will use. In between the script tag, we will write the JavaScript code, okay, right. So here see, just example is available here. Script is what here, by using some method get element by ID, okay. So what I am doing, I am using creating a JavaScript. That is my first JavaScript, okay, right. See, in this JavaScript you can add, use functions, and you can use events also. See, as per our syllabus here, we will see how to write the JavaScript, okay, which tag will be used, and how to pass functions, how to use the functions in JavaScript, okay, right, and how to use the events, okay. These things only mostly we will discuss here, okay, right. So next, see, after this, okay, see where this JavaScript can be written. We are having head tag, body tag in HTML, right? So where we need to write this JavaScript code, okay, right. So in the head or in the body tag, okay, you can write the you can include the JavaScript, okay. See here, just I have written one example here, see. So here what I am doing, normal HTML, okay, tag I have opened, and head tag, and see, script tag I have opened. Why I am opening the script tag? Script tag will be used for to add the JavaScript, okay, right. So in the script tag, I am writing some, I am defining some function here, that is my function, and in this my function I am using some method, okay, and I am writing some content here. Okay, right. So closing that script tag, then closing that head. See what I am doing here means in the head tag I am writing this function definition. Okay, right. So script means by default it will treat this one as a JavaScript. Okay, right. That is in the updated versions. No need to mention JavaScript and all. Okay, just now I said to you, the old versions we should write it as script type equal to we should write. Okay, in the updated versions no need. Okay, see here. Now in the body tag, what I am doing in the body tag uh, H2. Okay, right. So here, so in the body tag, just I am creating one button. What is the type of the button here? Okay, type is button. Okay, and on click is my function. Okay, right. And I am giving some name. Try it. Okay. So if you execute this particular program, try it button you will get. If you click on that, on click it will call the function my function method. My function will be called. Okay, in this my function, what you wrote get element by id demo. Okay, see here for this particular thing I am creating one id demo with the help of id. Okay, right. So it will means it will give the other content, that is paragraph change. Okay, right. See here, just what I want to say here is way to write the
సార్
javascript. Yeah, tell me what. వినపడుతుందా? హలో,
నాకేం కనిపిస్తలేదు సార్, మాకు ఓన్లీ సిలబస్ పేజ్ కనిపిస్తుంది.
సార్
ఇది షేర్ అవ్వలేదా? షేర్ అవ్వలేదా?
లేదు
సార్
లేదు సార్.
No, sir. No, sir.
అబ్బో,
సిలబస్ కనిపిస్తుంది.
ఆగండి ఆగండి.
ఎందుకు సార్ ఆన్లైన్
First-
క్లాసులు పెడతారు బట్టి
అవును, అవును.
పెట్టక వద్దు సార్.
అట్లా కాదు అట్లా కాదు ఆగు. అది స్క్రీన్ కనబడట్లేదా మీరు? ఆగండి,
లేదు సార్, ఓన్లీ సిలబస్ కాదు.
1 minute ఆగు, చేస్తున్నాను. వేరే
అదే
డాక్యుమెంట్ షేర్
వచ్చు సార్.
చేయాలి. కాదు చూపిస్తున్నాను. New share. ఇది సిలబస్ కాపీ కనబడుతుంది మీకు, రైట్? నౌ విజిబుల్
కనిపిస్తుంది.
Sir.
క్లియర్? రైట్.
Yes,
Yes,
మరి
sir.
మరి అప్పుడే మీరు అక్కడ చాట్ లో టెక్స్ట్ వేయాలి నాకు.
మీరు చూసుకోవట్లేదు సార్ మెసేజెస్.
అట్లానా? ఓకే ఓకే, మెసేజ్ చేశారా? ఓకే ఓకే
Yes, sir.
సారీ. సి హియర్ మనం యాక్చువల్ ఏం చెప్పుకోవాలనుకున్నానంటే జావా స్క్రిప్ట్, హౌ టు రైట్ ద జావా స్క్రిప్ట్. హౌ విల్ రైట్ ద జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ బై యూజింగ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ట్యాగ్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే డిస్కస్ చేసాము ఇది. ఓకే, సో స్క్రిప్ట్, ఇన్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ ట్యాగ్ we will write the javascript code. Okay, so in the updated version script type equal to javascript we are using any రాయన అవసరం లేదు. Okay, so what we have to do means, okay, in the updated version just if you use the script tag, okay, so automatically it will understand that there is a javascript. Okay, in the old versions, okay, we will be writing like this, script type equal to, okay, javascript అని మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. Okay, right. Next, after that, see here. So JavaScript, how to write the code? Okay, one sample script. Okay, so this JavaScript code you can write it in head tag and body tag. Two options ఉంటాయి. Okay, so in the head tag you can include JavaScript code, or in the body tag you can include that JavaScript code. Okay, right. So here head tag, here in this example I have written the JavaScript, okay, in the head tag. Okay, how to write the JavaScript? I have to open the script tag. Okay, right. So here from the body tag I will be calling that JavaScript function. Okay, right. So here see, right. So here what we will do is, some people are using that screen. Okay, don't override that screen now. Okay, right. Don't put colors also. See here,
నితిన్ సార్, నితిన్.
Nitin is doing that.
నో సార్,
Okay,
నో,
okay.
నాకేందో కూడా తెలియదు అది.
Right. See here, function, my function is the, right, some method I am method I am defining here in the script. Okay, so when we are calling this, okay, with the help of button, in the body tag I am creating one button, and for this I am writing some attribute, that is on click. Okay, that is my function I am calling. So what happens here? My function will get called, okay, and in this my function, what you wrote here, you are accessing that right particular element, okay, that is with the help of id, that is demo, and you are changing the text as paragraph change. So here what I am trying to say here is where we can include the JavaScript code in the head section or in the body section, we can include the JavaScript code. Okay, right. See here, someone designed it. Okay, right. అందువల్లే మీకు షేర్ చేయకూడదు కదా డాక్యుమెంట్ ని.
What are you doing, Nitin?
నాకేం తెలియదు అది.
ఓకే రైట్ నితిన్,
సార్ నేను కాదు సార్.
సరే అదే ఏదేదో గీక్కుంటూ కూర్చున్నారు, ఏమి టైం పాస్ అవ్వట్లేదేమో.
అది చేసిన వాళ్ళని ఏమన్నా అనుకోండి.
ఓకే ఓకే రైట్. హియర్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే మనకు ఈ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ని మనము బాడీ సెక్షన్ లో కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. వీ కెన్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ఇన్ ద బాడీ సెక్షన్. ఓకే, సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇది స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అదే కోడ్ ని తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి బాడీ ట్యాగ్ లో పెట్టవచ్చు. సో వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ right tag and we can include the JavaScript, okay, in the body section. Okay, same thing we can do. See here, and if you want, you can include that JavaScript code. Okay, external also you can link to your program. Okay, HTML code ki link up చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, externally also you can do. Means that function, whatever the my function just now I have created, that my function you can write it in separate file and you can link to our HTML code. Okay, right. So at that time, what we need to do, we have to save that function. Okay, with some file name, that is script.js. The extension of that file should be .js. Okay, right. So that will be what external file. Okay. So what we need to do, that external file, you have to import your code. Okay, HTML code. How to import that? Okay, right. So we should write it as script src, means source. Okay, we need to show the path to that. Okay, so that it will get included. Right. See here, external also you can do it. Okay, external JavaScript. See like this, script src equal to, right, and you can include that particular scripting file. Okay, to your normal code. Okay, right. So next, after that, see here, we have one more thing here. So here in this JavaScript, okay, right, so we can use different methods. Okay, like inner.html, document.write, windows.alert. Okay, all these things we have seen. Okay, right. So just revising once to you, okay, how to use all those methods and all. Okay, just remember what is JavaScript for validation purpose, way to write in the head section or in the body section. Okay, right. So if you want to include the JavaScript, we are using script tag. Just remember those things. And externally also you can save the JavaScript. Okay, but the file should be saved with .js. Okay, right. Next, in JavaScript, how to write the comments. Okay, these comments is what, just like in C language also we are having comments. Okay, right. So those comments will not be executed. Okay, for our understanding purpose, will be using comments. Okay, for easy understanding of the code, we'll be using comments. Okay, right. So in JavaScript, you can use different types of comments. Okay, like single line commenting and multi-line commenting. Okay, so single line commenting means what? Right, we can use double slash we can use for single line. And if you want multi-line commenting means slash star we can use, and ending with star slash. Okay, so like that we can use single line commenting and multi-line commenting. Okay, right. So what is the major use of these comments in JavaScript means to make that code easy to understand. Okay, right. And you can skip some code, okay, by making as a comment. Okay, right. Suppose you have think that you have written 100 lines of code. In that 100 lines, you want to skip some 50 lines. You can put it as in comment and you can use it. Okay, so unnecessary code also you can put it. Okay, that is a major advantage of the JavaScript comments. Okay, next, another concept we have, that is JavaScript variables. Okay, how to declare variables in JavaScript? Already you know about this. Okay, before going to the types of the variables, okay, you should know what is the name we can use for the variables. Okay, just like in C language we have identifiers, right? So identifiers means what? The process of giving the name for the variable. what are the valid names you can give for the variables. Okay, first you should know those things. Okay, then only you can go for the declaration of that variable, whether it is local or global. Okay, right. So here how to declare a variable. Okay, some rules, some valid names and some invalid names. Okay, we can use. Okay, so here see valid names. Okay, what is the valid names? Names must start with a letter. Okay, and underscore you can use, or dollar sign you can use. Okay, right. See here, but these variables are case sensitive. If suppose if we are writing small x, okay, that will be different from the capital X. You should be very careful by declaring the while giving the names for the variables. Okay, right. Very simple topic. Already you people are familiar with this. Okay, that's why you are designing the screen. Okay, right. So right.
Sir,
So right, maybe someone is designing the screen. Okay, someone
hello,
is yeah. Yes.
hello, sir. Doubt,
Yeah, చెప్పమ్మా.
सर ये अटेंडेंस ले रहे सर सच में
रस्तोगी बोलिए.
सर ये अटेंडेंस ले रहे हैं सर सच में ऑनलाइन
अटेंडेंस. अब ये जो
हाँ।
नंबर्स आ रहे ना यहाँ पार्टिसिपेंट्स, हम लोग यहाँ पार्टिसिपेंट देख रहे तुम लिस्ट आ रही है तो राइट. ये
दिख
पार्टिसिपेंट
रहा।
हाँ, ये पार्टिसिपेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड होता. मैं ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डिंग में है. ओके, तो दिस रिकॉर्डिंग हाउ मेनी नेम्स आर देयर, उनको सबको अटेंडेंस कंसीडर होता. ओके, राइट. बट सी वो क्या है, तो वो दिल में रहना. राइट. सो इफ यू सीखना चाहे तो आ जाता, सीख जाता. ओके, राइट. इतना इतना इट डिपेंड्स ऑन इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट.
यस सर,
सही सही बोला नहीं? ओके,
एकदम सही बोले सर, एकदम सही.
ओके ओके, राइट. ओके, इंटरेस्ट रहता ऑटोमेटिक भाग के आता. राइट, समझ में आता, मिस नहीं करता. ओके, राइट. तो अब इंटरेस्ट नहीं तो अब ऐसा राउंड डाउन डालते रहता 0-0. Okay, right. So here see some valid variables and invalid variable names here. Okay, right. So already everyone is developing websites and everyone is designing pages. Okay, so these are all very simple things. Okay, so in JavaScript, so identifiers will be having some valid names. Okay, what is invalid, what is valid names? Okay, right. See, case sensitiveness also will be there for the variables. Okay, suppose for example मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, so some examples I have written here. Okay, incorrect and all. Okay, right. So valid names only you should use. Okay, if you use any numbers like 0, right, or 1 2 3, that will be invalid. Okay, so you can use underscore. Okay, right. So valid identifiers only you should use. Okay, right. Another thing is, after knowing the naming of the variable, you should know what is the scope of a variable. Right, scope of a variable. So scope of a variable means what, up to what level you can access that particular variable. Okay, scope of variables already you have learned in C language, Java. Okay, right. So in JavaScript, okay, right. So what is the scope of a variable? It may be local scope or it may be global scope. Means within the function you can access, or outside the function also you can access. Okay, so if you are declaring any variable within the function, that variable can be called as local variable, and outside that function means global variable. Okay, right. So these things are already very simple for you, right? See here, local variables. Okay, so in the script tag, what we are doing here, we are writing one function here. Okay, right. So I am defining one function here. Inside that function, I am writing variable x equal to 10. This is what belongs to this particular function only, that is local variable. Suppose if I am writing variable x equal to 10 outside, means that will be global. Means global variable specialty is what you can access to all the you can access in all the functions. Okay, right. So local variables means within that function only you have to use. Okay, right. So here see local variable and global variable. One more example here, variable data equal to 100, that you can access function A, function B. Okay, in different functions you can access. See here, in function A you can access, in function B also you can access that particular data variable. Okay, right. That is the difference between local variables and the global variables. Okay. Right, coming to the scope, same thing here only. Okay, just now I said to you variables local and global. Then accessibility also can be there for local variables and the global variables. Okay, right. So in two different scopes you can access local and global, outside function, inside function, just like same functions concepts in C language. Okay, so like that only. Okay, same thing will be there. Next, after that, CL is, suppose if you want to use any functions. Okay, right. So just now we have seen some functions, right? Here see for the variables function A, function B. Like this, you can use functions in JavaScript. Okay, right. So how to use those functions? Very simple. Function name, and you can pass some arguments also. Okay, these functions you can include in your script, JavaScript. Okay, right. So just like say function message. So defining one function and calling the function as onClick as message function. Okay, right. So functions, and you can pass arguments to the functions. Okay, right. You can pass the arguments to the function. Suppose for example, see here, I am creating one button, and if you click on that button, what happen on click, it will call the function get cube of here some argument I am passing as 4, means I am creating the cube with the number 4. Okay, the argument will be 4. Okay, so at that time what we will do, if the function call